Our easy matcha tiramisu recipe is soft, creamy, and earthy. We don't use any eggs, so there's no baking involved. Here are the ingredients you'll need for our no egg, no bake matcha tiramisu recipe. You'll also need a container of your choice. We recommend picking one that fits the ladyfingers just nicely. This will make the matcha tiramisu look much neater when you're layering everything later on. Start by whisking your matcha with hot water. You can also use a sealed jar or electric whisk for this step. We're adding the water in increments so it's easier to mix. Then put this aside to cool. Mix mascarpone cheese, heavy cream, and sugar in a bowl until it's well combined. You want to keep whisking until medium peaks form. Set your mixture aside when you're done. Dip the ladyfingers into the matcha for 1 to 3 seconds. Careful not to soak them all the way through. This will make them a lot easier to handle when assembling. Line the bottom of your container with a layer of the soaked ladyfingers. If they don't fit perfectly, just cut them to size. And if you like a softer tiramisu sponge, you can always pour a few extra teaspoons of matcha over the biscuits. Let us know in the comments how you like your tiramisu. Then, scoop the mascarpone mixture over the ladyfingers and spread it out evenly with a spatula or spoon. If you're making 2 layers, use just under half of the mixture for this first layer. Then repeat the same steps for the next layer. When you're done, cover it with cling film and pop it in the fridge to chill and set for at least 4 hours or overnight. To serve, add a dusting of matcha powder on top and enjoy! Make sure to subscribe for more matcha recipes.